Freedom Artisan privacy railing is the perfect way to add security and sophistication to your outdoor area. Constructed of durable materials resistant to warping, rust, and corrosion, these panels feature UV inhibitors to ensure color and beauty remain throughout the included limited lifetime warranty. Their versatility allows them to be installed on nearly any deck or concrete surface to add privacy and style to your home. Artisan railing is available in black or white aluminum with infill boards that comes in 5 different colors, allowing you to choose the combination that fits your aesthetic. With the option of a half or full privacy frame, you have the ability to create a look that fits your desired vision for your outdoor space. Artisan privacy railing is easy to install. First, determine the placement of the posts by spacing them evenly along the deck or concrete, 64 inches apart. After ensuring all posts are facing the same direction, secure posts into position and attach to pre-drilled surface with fasteners. Once posts are set, place 2-inch spacer blocks to support bottom rail. Next, secure the bottom rail into the post channels, letting it rest on the spacer blocks. Make sure the open pocket is facing up and attach bottom rail using hex screws. After that, insert adapter strips into the post channels. Next, you'll install the vinyl infill boards. Make sure the tongue and grooves are all aligned in the right direction. For half privacy, complete by adding top rail. For full privacy railing installations, after installing 5 to 6 boards, install the mid-rail and additional set of adapter strips, followed by additional infill boards to complete. Once rails are installed, screw into place at both ends of each rail through posts. Use the remaining screws from the kit to fasten boards to posts. Be sure to distribute screws evenly on both sides. Finally, install screw cover strip and post caps. Repeat the process with each railing section to complete your install. With its durable design and limited lifetime warranty, Artisan Privacy Railing will deliver stylish privacy for years to come. Find Freedom Artisan Privacy Railing at a Lowe's near you.